pwede mo na bang sabihin na you can let go now, daddy? Yan. Kasi malaki ka na, sabi mo nga, o kaya mo na ba? Kaya na. O sige. I love you.
Bago kami mag-plan ng kasal, nagpunta kami sa Toycon. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng Switch. Kaya lang, after na ng kasal, kasi wala na kaming pera. Tapos, ayun, yan na lang sa akin. Meeting you at 16, who would have thought that I would be standing here today in front of you and in front of our loved ones. After 11 years, those 11 happy, sad, hard, and fun years, I can confidently say we made it. Way more than I expected it to be.
Hi babe, sa wakas naikasal na rin tayo. Halos isang dekada na tayo magkasama. Sa hirap at ginawa, may pera man na wala. Naalala ko dati, kahit pamasahe wala tayo. Fishball lang yung kinakain natin at quick. Nabash pa tayo noon dahil wala tayong kahit pang SM man lang. Naiyak din ako.
Sabi ko kay mama, wala naman akong moment nung bata ako na na-realize ko na mahirap tayo. Kasi parang okay naman lahat. Masaya kahit maliit lang yung bahay natin. Minsan walang kuryente, walang TV, pero happy siya. Hindi ko nasabi na, mama, bakit wala tayong TV? Kasi masaya siya. Sabay-sabay kami kumakain.
At ngayon, na ikakasal na tayo, nangangako ako sa iyo na sasamahan ka habang buhay. Sa hirap man o ginawa, dumami man ang pera natin o mawala, andito pa rin ako sa tabi mo palagi.
You remember how people look down to us? Kasi nga, kwek-kwek lang yung afford natin. Never we imagine makakain tayo ng steak sa yan, sa fine dining restaurant. And I'm happy naman to get to experience all of these hardships with you and that I enjoyed the success, the fruit of our labors with you as well. If you would ask me if I would do it again, I would. I never imagined doing it with anyone else but you. I vow to always hold your hand, be your calm in this crazy, crazy world. This is it, babe. We made it. I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home. I love you.
Kahit na minsan naiinis ka na sa mga pangungulit ko, at pangako ko sa iyo na kahit hindi ka lagi nag-uugas ng plato at nagmamap, hindi ako alis sa tabi mo. Mahal na mahal kita, babe. At di yun magbabago kahit kailanman. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. I love you at salamat sa lahat.
and Mrs. Ray Valenzuela. Let's give them a round of applause.
Thank you for loving me unconditionally, seeing me beyond all my flaws and imperfection, and for always making me laugh. I love when you make me laugh. Thank you for also giving me this wedding of my dreams. But more than that, thank you for being my rock. Thank you for being my home.